It's also a story of no regrets, a story of living life at full tilt, and a story of loving life. As I was making my way to board a plane, I lost my very dear friend, David Aronne. He died in a motorcycle accident, and that's what makes it even harder. In fact, this is the real sad part of that story, is he was supposed to be on that plane with me, flying back to San Diego on the 20th. And I think I'm just very happy that I have this video to remember you by, and more importantly, for all of you who watch my channel, who know me, are my friends, David has a profound message, an important message for you too, in this video. So please watch this video and listen to his advice, and take it. I miss you, David.